Can you find out who shared your reel on Instagram? Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. So for this, you can actually check out a number of shares of your reel on your Instagram. However, it will not display the user who have shared it. Now, if you wish to know the numbers, you can click on the profile icon in the top. Then over here, you need to make sure you have a professional account. If you don't know how, you can click on the three horizontal line. Then right in the settings, you need to find out the option of account type. Then you can switch into professional account. Once you have a professional account, you will have a layout like this with a professional dashboard. In the dashboard, you can check every analytics such as account engagement, reach, likes, and more. Over here, you can analyze a certain reel or the post as well. That is to check number of posts, number of like, comment, and even shares. However, it will not disclose the user who have shared any of your content. Hopefully this video was helpful to you.